we're going to talk about Ajinkya Rahane's captaincy. See, a few months back, even I thought Ajinkya Rahane is a liability to Indian team. He proved everyone wrong, including me. I was literally saying, why is he in the team? But this series, he has proved his mettle by captaining the very young side. In the last test, he managed to handle all these newcomers in a very effective way according to their skill levels. And he ensured that all the boys who were making their debut very confident and he ensured that they delivered to the demands of the team and demands to the situation. That is what important. A good leader who doesn't express much but he is strong within himself and makes everyone work towards the team's goal. That is what a good captain is. I am not comparing Rahane with anyone. I am just saying Rahane is going to be a best captain ever produced by India. If he is given the captaincy for Test cricket, I am sure India will achieve laurels in Test cricket because he is very cool. His level of thinking almost outwit the opponent captain. How many times he has made the right decision in bringing the correct bowlers at the correct time, and also his field placements is very accurate. I have never seen Australian cricket team scoring runs less than 3 almost the entire series except the Brisbane test. The pitch is somewhat faster compared to Sydney or Melbourne because the ball was coming onto the bat, so the batsman is able to place the ball in the gaps and they can score in quick pace. So that is the difference between Brisbane and other centers. What I think is Indian bowling team is very accurate in the line and length. They bowl to the field and they bowl in the corridor of uncertainties. I never seen Indian bowling is as accurate as it is now. So I've seen the Indian bowlers in the 2000 series where we went to Australia. They were spraying the ball and they get excited on seeing the bounce because they bowled short pitch deliveries to Adam Gilchrist, to Ponting, who were good pullers of the ball. So I've seen people wasting the new ball, but this current Indian generation of bowlers bowling right line and length, which is treat to the eyes. They bowl all the 6 balls in the same place. I've seen in one single over. Seen Siraj bowling the one length, and he got Warner 2 times by just testing outside off stump. So he has found that Warner is little he's not sure about his off stump line when playing his shot. He was always in double minds when he starts the innings. So he utilized that very well. Mohammad Siraj, just by playing 3 tests, he is able to outthink the batsman, which is very heartening to see. I have never seen Indian fast bowling is as accurate as we are now. So I think Bharat Tarun has done a commendable job in managing these youngsters, and is able to produce fast bowlers, manage the fast bowlers, is able to create bench strength for India, and hats off to Bharat Tarun. And many people say Ravi Shastri is useless. Ravi Shastri, look at his track record, all the stuff, but he's delivering results. That is what matters. Doesn't matter how he looks, he never give cash practice. He's a man manager. He manages people really well. He knows what to get from people. So we spectators have no authority, no experience to criticize Ravi Shastri. I think we should stop criticizing the people who are in the highest level right now. So it's time we should enjoy the game rather than saying Ravi Shastri is that. I've seen many comments which irritates me saying about Ravi Shastri, which is too personal. I think we should see only cricket and let's not go into his personal things. So let's be matured in posting comments in Twitter and other stuff. So it doesn't look nice. So anyway, coming to Raghane's captaincy, he's doing an excellent job. My heart says he should take over captaincy from Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is a different captain. Is so aggressive. Sometimes over aggression doesn't win you matches. Only the calm mind will win matches. So I should thank the viewers for showing support to my channel. And though I didn't have much subscribers, but I'm getting a lot of views. I'll be happy if I get more subscribers to my channel. So I'll be giving a lot of views, very quality views on cricket, not only India, cricket happening all over the world. That is what I am planning to do. Please encourage my channel by subscribing to it. Thank you for your time watching this episode. So until I meet you in the next video, it's goodbye from Sridhar.